math teacher for this class. Before we start our class, please, who can lead us to the prayer? Okay, yes? Yeah. Amen. So before we proceed to our class, everybody are present in this class. Yes, thank you. So before we start our new discussion, we can recall the last topic we discussed. And the topic we discussed is about classifying algebraic expression, which is polynomial according to their degrees and number of terms. So we can recall the algebraic expression, which is example. Yes, Jerry. How many degrees of term this expression? Yes, good. The degree of this number of terms of this expression is 4. 4 terms. So, who can next? What about this expression? Yes, Mark. How many terms this expression? Yes, good. This is our 2 term. Now we can proceed now in our new topic about addition and subtraction of polynomials. Our topic for today is we have 3 objectives. At the end of the 60 minutes of the lesson, 70% of the student shall be able to define the polynomial. Number 2 is perform addition and subtraction on polynomial. Number 3 is solve real-life problems involving an addition and subtraction of polynomial. Okay, class, what can you observe in this expression? These three examples of expression. Yes, Christine, what can you observe in this expression? Yes, correct. Who else? Yes, Mark. Yes, good. Okay, class, all your observations are correct. And these expressions are called polynomials. So, we define our polynomials. So, polynomials is a mathematical expression made up to indeterminate and coefficient involving addition, subtraction, and non-negative integers exponent of variables. Here's the sum or the example of the polynomials. This. So class, the first topic we discuss in polynomials is the addition of polynomials. It is involved of combining like terms using an addition by parent of the 2 polynomials. Here are our example. First is there are 2 polynomials. So the 4x plus 12x. So we add there because their variables are same, so that we can add. So equals to 16. And what about this 2? Like it's a polynomial. Then the next is 4x plus 10y plus 5x to negative y. So first is we can add the 4xy and the 5xy. So we can get the 9xy. Then in the third second, what I mean is the second is the 10y minus the negative 7y. So we combine this term because they are like term. Then we can get the 3y. Here are some example of our addition of polynomials. This is the first expression is that 12x to the power of 5 minus 6x cubed minus 12x squared minus 4. And the second expression is negative 11x to the power of 5 plus 12x squared plus 8x and plus 6. So we can combine these like terms like 2x to the power of 5 and the negative 11x to the power of 5. So if we combine these 2 number of variables or terms, this we can get the negative 9 because positive 2 and negative 11. So we can subtract this number. Then copy the expression or the variable with the coefficient of 5. Then the second term is that negative 6x squared or cube is cube. Then we add in 12x squared. No. Negative 6x cubed is, we can see that there are no x cubed in the second expression. So we copy the negative 6x cubed. Then we perform then the third term is that negative 12x squared. Then we can and combine the 2x squared. So if we combine that negative 12 and positive 2, we can get the negative 10. So copy the variables and the its coefficient. Then the second is, and the fourth term is that we can we can put the x because there are no 8x or x in the first expression. Then last is we combine the number of negative 4 and the positive 6. So we can get that negative 4, then add you negative, we add in the positive 6, is we get the positive 2. And here are our fourth example. You can answer this expression. 5x squared, 5x cubed, and so add in negative 3. Who can answer? Yes, Jirin. What can you answer in this expression? Yes, correct. It is 2x cubed. Who else? In the 7xy and 2xy. Yes. Yes, correct. It is 9xy. And the third term, who can answer? Yes, yes, John. Yes, correct. It is positive 4y squared. So, you can get this expression. Now, who can answer this expression? Yes, Mark. Fifth example, who can volunteer to solve this expression? Yes, Jake. What your answer in this expression? Yes, correct. The answer of this expression is 4x cubed plus x squared minus 3x plus 1. So, now, any question about this topic about addition of polynomial? Yes? No? So, if there's no, we can proceed now in our second topic. Or we call that the subtraction of polynomials. It is a method of subtracting polynomials by converting the sign to the opposite side. For example, 9x squared minus open parenthesis minus 15x squared close. We can multiply the negative to both negative so that we can get the positive sign. So if we add these two numbers using the addition of polynomials, so we get the 24x squared. So here's our some example. So 2x squared minus 2x squared yz minus 2xz plus 5xz squared minus 4x squared yz minus 5xy minus 3xyz. So in our first example, we can or negative sign we distribute to every term. So the negative sign we distribute into negative 4 and to the 4x squared, so that in yz, so we can get this expression. And like in the 5xy into 3xy squared, so this square. So using the subtraction of polynomials, we combine and subtract the like term. So we can get this answer. How about in this expression? 5x plus y ay 5x plus 9y minus 2z minus 2x plus y plus 5 plus z. So using same as our way of solving in the number 1, we can distribute the negative sign in the last expression. So we can get this expression. So 3x, we combine the 5x and negative 2x, so we get the 3x. and 9y and 5y, so we get 14y, and in the last term is the negative 2z and negative 3z, so we can get the negative 5z. Who can volunteer to solve us this expression? Yes, Kate. What is your answer in this expression? Yes, correct. The answer of this question is 9x squared y plus 8xy squared plus 10xy. So we can get the correct answer of this expression. And class, any question about our topic? If there is no, so we can try to solve this 5 problem. So simplify the following question. Guys, are all you done solving this equation? Yes. So who can volunteer into answer number 1? Yes, Julie, what your answer in number 1? Yes, correct. The answer of this number 1 is 4xy plus 6x plus 4. So we can get number 1. Who else in number 2? Who can solve in number 2? Yes. Yes, Mark. What is your answer in number 2? Yes, correct. The answer number 2 is 12x squared plus 2xy plus 4y squared. How about number 3? Yes, John. What is answer of the number 3? So yes, the answer number 3 is negative 6x minus y and minus 8z. So how about number 4? Yes, Jay, number 4. So the answer number 4 is negative 3x minus 14y plus 5z. Oh, what is the answer in last question? Yes, very good. So now, the answer number 5 is negative 8x minus y squared plus 11z. So this is our answer. Okay. So thank you for the student who volunteered to solve this 5 problem. Now, question about our topic. Yes, I hope you understand. I sense you understand our topic. I want you to get a pen and 1/2 crosswise to solve our activity. Okay, class, I will give you 15 minutes to solve this 7th question. Okay, class, time is up. If you done answering in this 7th question, please pass your paper in front. Okay, class, we can recall our topic we discussed earlier. So, who can say what is, who can answer what is polynomial? Yes, Jirin, what is polynomial? Yes, very good, thank you. So, any question in our about our topic, class? If there is no, before we end our discussion, I will leave you an assignment. So, this is your assignment for this today. So, direction, simplify the following polynomials using addition and subtraction of polynomials and show your solution in 1/2 crosswise paper. And please copy this question. Are you done copying for our assignment? If done, we are all stand. And goodbye, class. See you on Wednesday.